This morning, possible progress in the battle to get economic relief to struggling Americans.
We have just had a very productive, cordial 2-hour meeting with the president and the vice president.
Republican senators emerging from a meeting in the Oval Office where they and the Biden administration agreed to hold more negotiations on COVID relief.
It was an excellent meeting, and we're very appreciative that as his first official meeting in the Oval Office, the president chose to spend so much time with us in a frank and very useful discussion.
White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki echoing Collins's description, calling it a substantive and productive discussion. And Republican Senator Bill Cassidy sounding even more upbeat.
I consider it a success. There was common ground. As the president said, we're united in our concern for the American people.
Both sides were calling for two different bills. Biden's proposal cost $1.9 trillion. The Republican plan, about 1/3 of that. And while the White House wants $1,400 direct payments to most Americans, Republicans want to limit the checks to $1,000 and send them only to lower-income Americans. But there is some common ground. Like Biden, Republicans want $160 billion for vaccines, testing, and help for small businesses. In the meantime, some positive signs in the fight against the virus. The number of people in the hospital has dropped by 10% or more in 38 states compared to last week, but less than 8% of the U.S. population has been vaccinated.
You're all set, okay? You can come right in.
At Dodger Stadium, one of the largest vaccination sites, they're averaging 8,000 shots per day, but say they could give out thousands more if they had the supply.
It's painful to see that when you know that you can be getting those vaccinations in people's arms.
Doctors are predicting another surge as more contagious variants of the virus take hold, now confirmed in 35 states. The White House is urging healthcare providers not to hold back second shots.
There are no doses that are hanging around. A dose that's available is going to go into someone's arm.
At nursing homes, the CDC found only 38% of workers accepted the vaccine when it was first offered. Even as vaccinations ramp up, health officials stress the need for testing. The White House is now spending more than $200 million on this at-home COVID test that's said to be about 95% accurate and can be used without a prescription. After taking the swab, users place the sample into a digital analyzer, which sends results to your phone in 15 minutes.
I don't think we can call it a game changer because that $30 price point is still a little prohibitive for a lot of Americans. But still, it's a step in the right direction.
And those tests are expected to be in short supply until later on this year. Now, as for that COVID relief bill, more talks are scheduled. However, if they fail, Democrats say they're willing and ready to pass Biden's plan without GOP support.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.